Introducing Swan's AllSecure 4K wireless security kits, a 100% wire-free 4K security solution. The AllSecure 4K cameras are 100% wireless, easy to install, and feature long-lasting rechargeable batteries. Take advantage of their bright spotlights, two-way audio, and loud sirens in areas where it's not convenient to run cables, and control it all with the Swann Security app. If you want a system that's armed and ready to go 24/7, select the AllSecure 4K Plus. It includes a spare battery that charges in the back of the AllSecure 4K Plus power hub. When a camera runs out of power, just swap it over. During a power outage, the battery keeps the hub active and ready to record events for seamless security. The AllSecure 4K kit is similar to the Plus model, but has a rounded hub without a charging bay and no spare battery. It uses the same model cameras, but you'll need to charge the camera batteries using a charging cable and USB port. Installation is easy and the system transmits video wirelessly, while Swann Net technology optimizes your Wi-Fi connection. The AllSecure 4K Plus features 1 TB of storage and can record for up to 8 years. The AllSecure 4K has a 64 GB micro SD card and can record for up to 6 months. You'll know what's happening at any hour with Swann's night-to-day technology. It provides amazing color at night, up to 32 feet, 10 meters. Or take advantage of the powerful black and white infrared night vision up to 100 feet, 30 meters in total darkness. Swann's True Detect heat and motion detection senses heat from people and cars for more reliable alerts and recording with fewer false alarms. Stay informed with the Swann Security app, 4K HD video, a powerful digital zoom, and push notifications ensure you'll always know what's happening from anywhere in the world. Watch live or playback video on any HDMI display at home. Plus, you can still monitor and record if the internet is down. The tough indoor-outdoor design is built to withstand rain, snow, and heat all year round. Swann's AllSecure 4K Plus and 4K wireless security kits, a revolution in wireless 4K security from Swann.